Do it again. Oh. Yay! Do it again. Almost. Oh, keep working on it. Oh. Go slam it. Yeah. Do you love your basketball? Almost. Can you look at the camera and say, I love basketball? Look at mommy and say it. Look over here. Say, I love basketball. Look over here. Tanner, say it. I love basketball. Okay, show us your throw.